234 million years ago, this world was dying of thirst. But high above it, something was about to change, and it would decide who inherited the Earth. This is Pangaea, one single, unbroken supercontinent. And in its shadows lives a creature no bigger than a house cat, easy to overlook.
Right now, this world belongs to others. Beaked rhynchosaurs and tusked dicynodonts rule these plains. Slow, that's about to change.
The cause was hidden on the far edge of the continent, a volcanic province erupting on a colossal scale, pumping carbon dioxide into the sky. The climate was about to break. Then came the rain, sudden, violent, and utterly unfamiliar to a world built for drought. The old rulers of this land had never faced anything like it. Within a geological blink of an eye, the landscape itself changed. Dust became mud, mud became green, and an entirely new world began to take shape. The proof is written directly into the rock, layer after layer, each one a record of a distinct pulse of rain, laid down over just 2 million years. In an ancient lakebed like this one, scientists found something remarkable. Not one flood, but distinct pulses of rain. The old rulers of this world were built for drought, not deluge. As the rain persisted, their advantage began to disappear, and something small and overlooked began. One by one, the old rulers began to disappear. The rhynchosaurs were already gone from places like this. The dicynodonts were not far behind. With the old herbivores fading, space opened up, and the small, adaptable dinosaur relatives were ready to take it.
The dinosaurs the only ones seizing this moment. Their distant relatives, the rhos, and more than one lineage knew how to take it.
The upheaval wasn't limited to land. In the shallow seas, a sign that this was a planet-wide reset, not just a story about dinosaurs. Little by little, these once rare survivors weren't just holding on, they were multiplying, spreading into every part of the landscape the old rulers had left behind. But nothing about this reign was permanent. After roughly 2 million years, the skies that had reshaped the world were finally beginning to clear. After 2 million years, the rains stopped. The world dried out again, just as it had before. But everything it left behind had already changed. The rhynchosaurs and dicynodonts that once ruled these plains were gone, and their relatives, no longer surviving in the shadows, but shaping the world in the open.
This was only the beginning. These small survivors were about to inherit 165 million years of dominance, all because of 2 million years of rain.
Scientists still debate exactly how this rain proved deadly to some species and not others. The full mechanism remains an open question. This wasn't Earth's only reset button. Life on this planet has been knocked down and rebuilt many times. What makes the Carnian Pluvial episode remarkable? It's tempting to think the dinosaurs took over overnight. They didn't. For millions of years after this event, they remained a minority. It was a foothold. Slowly, generation by generation, that foothold grew. Not through conquest, but through patience. Through simply being ready when others weren't. This small, unremarkable creature was carrying something enormous inside it. The blueprint for every dinosaur that would ever walk the Earth. 2 million years of rain. 4 pulses of volcanic upheaval. 1 quiet, overlooked shift in who thrived, and that's all it took to set the age of dinosaurs in motion. It never knew what it had become part of. No creature ever does. It simply survived one very wet, very strange chapter of Earth's history. The rain stopped. The world settled into something new. And on plains like this one, the age of dinosaurs had already quietly begun. 2 million years of rain. One quiet turning point, and a world that would never be the same again.